What did you get? Let me see. Oh my gosh, beautiful. What is that behind? Is that what is that?
Look.
I think under the TV.
Probably. Emily, what is that? Is that a ballerina Barbie? What? Look in the basket. Look in the back. In the back. That's a tea set for the bathtub.
Oh. What's it?
That's candy.
What's it?
That's a ballerina Barbie.
That ballerina Barbie?
Yeah.